I'm Kendall, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about Kahoot and just how to use it as a teacher. And I think it's a great app for studying and playing just fun games, and teachers don't use it enough, and I think they should. So here's what Kahoot. So when you first get into the Kahoot app, this is what you see. You can hit login or sign up. I'm gonna hit sign or log in, and then I'm going to put my teacher's information in. So you can sign up and just put whatever information is good with you. So it's loading. You just hit maybe later and then allow. This is the home page. So to create a Kahoot, you just click on the little plus sign at the bottom. When you get into create a Kahoot, it will look like this. To add a title to your Kahoot, click on the enter title below the cover image square. Enter your title. Your title can be whatever you want. Usually a title would be about the Kahoot. I'm just going to enter a simple title. Let's just do Kahoot video. Under visibility, you can choose who you want to see your Kahoot. I'm going to choose only me, but you can choose whatever is comfortable for you. To add a picture, just click on the add cover image box. There are tons of different ways to add pictures. These are the pictures that they suggest. At the top, they have different picture styles. You can draw a picture, go to your photo gallery, and take a picture. I'm going to draw a cover image. You can crop it, make it closer, and you can draw more if you're not finished. And to save it, just hit save at the top. To add a question, you have to hit the add question button at the bottom corner. They have different question styles. The one with crowns, you have to pay for. I'm going to click on the quiz question style. Once you are here, you can see all of the different steps to create a question. The first step is to add your question. Just type in what your question is. My question is pretty simple. I'm just going to do you like red? Now to add a picture, just hit the check mark. It's very similar to adding a title picture. There are different ways to add pictures and videos. I'm just going to choose a simple picture from their gallery. Now to add a question, you click on one of the colored squares. You don't have to do all of the squares. You just have to do at least 2. Now type in your answer, and to make the answer the correct answer, you just turn on correct answer. You can do more than 2 correct, or you can do 2 correct answers, 3 correct answers, but you cannot do all of them. This is the time limit. This is how long the players have to answer the question. You just click on the amount of time that you want to give your players. To add another question, you just hit the plus sign in the corner. I'm going to add a true or false question. Just type in your answer. On this one, you can only make 1 correct answer. So now I'm going to add a picture or whatever to my question. So to do this, you just go to add media. So we're just going to scroll down and see what they have. Now some of these you have to pay for. So you might not want to click on any of those. They have the GIFs. So we're just going to do a GIF. Now let's add another question. Okay, so now that we're here, we're going to go to videos. Open YouTube. So once you're here, you can find a video that you want, and copy and paste the link. So let's just do, I don't know, how about this one? So now that
My job is to make college easier because
add it, and your video will be on your question. So we're just going to add an image from my gallery. So just go to images and go to gallery. I'm just going to add this picture of snickerdoodles that I baked in home ec. So this is a quiz checklist. It's just telling you what you have to do to finish your Kahoot. So see, if I don't add answers to this question, it will be saved as a draft, not as a Kahoot that I can play. So that's Kahoot. I hope you guys consider using it because I think it's an awesome app. And if you do use it, I guess you learned more about it.